Hello! How are you today? Oh my god, hello, I have missed you so much. It's been too long. It's already the end of July. That's insane to me. Happy 2020. I'm glad that you've made it this far. These past few months have been absolutely insane. I got COVID. My family got COVID, so that's why I've taken a step back. These last few months have been emotionally, physically draining. But your girl is back with a Boxycharm video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and if you want to see how I do this beautiful makeup, stay tuned and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so we're gonna get started. In the box, the first thing is gonna be this serum, this vitamin C serum. You can apply it in the evening and at night. I like it so far. Alright, so I got my little dots going on. One of the things that I got in my box was actually this really rarely used beauty blenders now, just because TikTok made me buy it. It's supposed to make your foundation look incredible, and every time I use this, my foundation looks so expensive. I'm just gonna go in there. But I do use beauty blenders. I use it for my eye makeup. We're done! Finally! We're gonna do a nice summer, clean, glowy. We're honestly just gonna go right into the eyes. I like to use this when I'm using any vibrant colors, anything that I know it's probably gonna come off. We're gonna do a nice little light tap, and I don't wanna take too much on, so we're just gonna put a little bit right on my eye. Best investment I've ever had in my life has been this bottle. It's 1.5 liters. Oh, you're so cute. Très magnifique. Oof. We're going to use a couple of palettes. One is going to be the Morphe James Charles palette, just because I love the colors on here. So I'm gonna do these bold orange, and then I'm just kinda, and then boom. So you wanna do the same to this side, and slap. God. Oh, now that you got your two eyes going on, mit einen kleinen brush, we will go in with the orangey, not orange, reddish color. A little bit of it. Es tut mir leid, meine deutsche Scheiße. We want your eyes to be the sun. And with this round brush, we are going to get very little. When I say very little, it's like a very little of this yellow. Put a little bit right here. And next, Boxycharm product. So it's gonna be this bad boy, which is a shadow. Because this look says I'm here, sparkly, but subtle. I'm gonna put a very little bit of these, work it all around slowly. That little round brush, get a little orange, a little bit, you know? Okay. So now we got this bad boy down, a little orange, little flocka flame. I'm gonna get this little angled brush, dip it in that reddish color, and then just kind of, we are going to fix my face now. Fix the rest of my face before I put my lashes, before I do all that good stuff. Now we got my concealer. Okay, because we got bags, bad bags. And for this continuation, where I'm actually gonna use this beauty blender, like Sweetie says, we're gonna tap, 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 tap in. So I know I look super white right now. I'm pale and like Casper. Boxycharm loves me so much. In this month's box, they gave me Bronzed in Paradise. I'm gonna use this to contour. I really need this. I've been indoors for too long. So we gonna bronze me up. We gonna bronze me up. I look square right now, but I'm not gonna look like this for long, so chill. Check this magic out. Hold on. Check it out, hold on. So I want you to know that we basically went to Monaco and got this tan. We got this tan. We didn't forget about the rest of the eyes. Lashes! But I will point out, do you notice there's a little gap? Because I'm going to accentuate. I'm literally blanking out. Excuse me, I'm a little fried in la mente. I'm gonna go with black liner. So I'm gonna come in here, and then I'm gonna kind of color. A little color, you know? Because it's summer, quarantine, I'm gonna give a little more va-va-voom to my eyes. I'm gonna use Glam Vice, their neon pigment. So now we're gonna do the brows. We are going to highlight, which is gonna be, I don't know what is up with me and all these weird accents. And And I apologize to whoever is offended by these accents because I don't really know what they're coming out or why they're coming out in the first place. Nose, I'm gonna do right here from Cupid's bow. You can get a regular little brush. So we're gonna add some blush. We're gonna add a little bit of Toasted because we're trying to look toasty. Just like snatched. Okay, so now we see the lips. Brings me to the next product, and I Boxycharm box this month, which is gonna be Alamar. And I'm gonna pair it with my Huda Beauty absolute favorite. A little bit of gloss. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna fix my hair smoochation, and then I'm gonna be right back. So that was it. This is the final look. Oh my god. Products that I used were pew, 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 pew. Once again, thank you so much for Boxycharm for gifting me this incredible box this month. I say this every single time I get it, but I'm honestly such a big advocate for Boxycharm. Self-care and getting a nice, beautiful box delivered to your house is always super nice. Who doesn't like getting gifts? So Boxycharm is only 30 bucks a month. For that, you don't have to commit to just one product at Sephora, at Ultra, at any beauty or makeup store that you go to. You don't have to commit to one thing. Makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Be whoever you want to be. I'm so excited to be on YouTube again. I'm so excited to see you again. And so if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, do the entire spiel. Your girl's back, so she's gonna be doing more videos more often, frequently, and stuff, oftenly. And I'm just really excited to be back. It's been a tough year, but you are also tough, and you are also capable of joy, happiness, and peace. So I'm sending you nothing but love, a big hug. I'm so grateful that you're here. I'm so grateful that I was able to connect with you, even if it's this little sniper camera and stuff. I'm grateful that you're alive. I'm grateful that you're doing well. And if you're not doing well right now, don't worry. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, as cliche as that sounds. Trust and believe. I know exactly what that feels like. So sending you so much love, sending you so much peace, and just an abundance of inner joy, okay? Keep your head up. I have faith that you are gonna be better and that you're gonna do better. And I'm sending you so much love. I'm sending you so much love. Be patient. As crazy as things are, it's gonna get better. Okay? Love you so much. Les doy un besote. I love you. Grateful that you're alive. Bye.